Hello guys and welcome to the all-new 2022 Toyota GR86. Let's go witness what the bilateral coalition of Subaru and Toyota GR bring to the entry-level affordable sports car enthusiast table. As usual, I'll highlight a few relevant areas as we get outstruck by the outcome of the coalition. And if you're new to the channel and you enjoy content like this, kindly slap a thumbs up and subscribe with your notification bell on for more content like this. And we truly and really are humbled and deeply appreciate your passing by. Thank you so much, and let's just go to the affordable Toyota Sports Coupe that has the opportunity to live for a second generation alongside its Subaru twin sister or brother. I don't know which of them to use. But after months of waiting, it's finally here, though it officially bears the name GR86. In Toyota speaking, GR stands for Gazoo Racing, the Japanese company's factory racing arm. The GR86 copies the recipe for Toyota's former 86, a rear-wheel drive 2+2 coupe, meaning it's once again mechanically identical to the Subaru BRZ and will keep doing battle with the likes of the Mazda Miata MX-5 and the soon-to-be replaced Nissan 370Z. The new GR86 and the Subaru's new BRZ were jointly developed, as we all know. And yet, although the two vehicles share the same vehicle base, the two companies focused on imbuing their typical respective models with a distinct driving feel. So don't expect them to behave and feel the same way, even though they share the same underpinnings. The new GR86 is specially designed for sports performance and provides direct and satisfying driver performance of the highest order. And it will be available in Japan in 2021 autumn. Okay, right. The 86, same as the BRZ, all launched in 2012, and since then the vehicles have been utilized as base models for a variety of preparatory motorsports, including rallies, one-make races, the Gymkhana, and their trials, while others have been uniquely customized. A total of more than 200,086 pieces have been sold worldwide since inception, and in 2019 September, Toyota and Subaru entered into a new business and capital alliance, as part of which the two companies committed to jointly engage in making even better cars. Okay, the result is what we are looking at behind us, the GR86 with a sibling, the BRZ. Now, motorsports is actually the crucible where automakers test their thinking, pushing engineering, proving performance. No one does that quite like Subaru and the GRC racing squad. These cars were designed around the driver, and the balance drivers feel gives them confidence to push even harder. Where the masters of speed are obsessed with straight line speed, Subaru and Toyota GR know life really comes at you not in a straight line. This is why Subaru and Toyota GR invested their learning capital in the concept that could handle the twist and turn, and at the heart of that is the Boxer engine, sitting low, flat, helping to deliver an ideal center of gravity. It's been improved, refined, put to the test in the most grueling challenges of Subaru and Toyota racing sports: rally crossing, road racing, and endurance racing. They didn't just survive in the heat of racing, they prospered. Racing victories are one thing, they mean much more when they translate into performance models, and Subaru and Toyota have a long history of bringing their race car pedigree to the street. The combination of all-wheel drive and the Subaru Boxer engine that had dominated the world rally stage led the way, but in 2012, Subaru and Toyota took a new performance challenge, the classic front-wheel, rear-wheel drive sports car, a traditional concept once again giving Subaru spin. The Subaru Boxer power plant swung low, driving two wheels instead of four wheels. Development of first generation BRZ was actually a collaboration between engineer and the driver, once again using the concept of balance performance to make the driver even better. Racetrack and switchbacks were now the team's focus on playground, small, lightweight, low, nimble, combined with ample power, delivering surgical precision to the driver. A new singular purpose had been found and joined the family of purpose-built vehicles, and the purpose of the 2012 Subaru BRZ: fun to look at and even more fun to drive, a pure enthusiast vehicle. No room for complacency. The BRZ and the 86 were pure sports car, but could they become even more pure with an even lower center of gravity, even more powerful with the new 2.4-liter Subaru Boxer engine, improved torque, more horsepower? Could it be more pleased with a torsional stiffness increased by 50%? Grip improved with a Michelin Pilot Sports 4 tires on 18-inch wheels, a more aggressive track mode, presenting the next benchmark for a long collaboration between engineer and the driver in Subaru and Toyota GR is the all-new 2022 Toyota GR 86. perfect distribution of weight, providing amazing balance. The experience wraps itself around the driver, engages every sense, and the interior of the all-new GR86 is oriented around the driver. Speaking of interior, this is what they've done in it. The operating system, which includes the various switches and horizontally accented instrument panel, is optimally located to create a space that enables the driver to concentrate on driving. The display features a 7-inch TFT screen. Its opening animation sequence is inspired by the piston movement of the GR86 horizontally opposed engine and foster a sense of excitement even before the drive begins. Well, let me touch on the exterior, which we've been looking at, and with fender tops that extend horizontally to the belt line. The GR86 boasts a stance distinctive of front engine, rear-wheel drive vehicles. Its low, horizontally underbody and narrow cabin rear combine to create broad and low center of gravity appearance. The front of the vehicle, as we are looking at, features the GR specific functional matrix grille, which fuses performance and emotionality. And generally, the power plant and the general build of the GR86 2022 sports a lightweight compact engine with a low center of gravity in line with the previous iterations. The Toyota GR86 increases its displacement size, as we've already mentioned, from 2.2 to 2.4, and that engine delivers superior performance, as a consequence, achieving 0 to 60 mph acceleration in just 6.3 seconds, down from 7.4 seconds of the outgoing model, which is great, very good improvement. Engine responsiveness has been enhanced, providing smooth, stress-free sensation from high to low RPMs. So we are looking at a maximum output of 232 mechanical horsepower at 7,000 RPM and a maximum torque of 250 Newton meters of torque, that translates into 184 pound-feet of torque. The use of aluminium for the roof panel results in a lower center of gravity, while aluminium fenders and updated front seats and mufflers contribute to reduced weight. Body rigidity has been improved. The goal of offering pleasurable handling in all speed ranges from urban driving to upper limits of performance. Torsional rigidity has been enhanced by approximately 50% over the previous model for greater steering stability. And come to think of the vehicle's aerodynamic, it is rooted in motorsport's aerodynamic components. The GR86 that we're looking at features aerodynamic components seen on the 86 models that participate in motorsports. These include air outlets, side still spoilers, and other parts that improve steering responsiveness and stability. A sports car that provides a secure and safe car life is what we have. The AT versions, as in automatic transmission versions of the 86, uses the Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology. This system of comprehensive safety technologies provides safety support during everyday driving, pre-collision safety technologies that help avoid or reduce collision impacts, and emergency rescue support and secondary collision avoidance support in the event of an accident. Technical specifications will be put in the description column for your reference, and so these are the areas where Autostop will highlight for now. We'll add on when the vehicle becomes more accessible to auto journalists and general public and pitched against its twin brother, the Subaru 2022 BRZ. Click on my left top corner for a review of an entry level exotic sports car, the 2021 Lamborghini Huracan Evo and its iterations, if you are interested. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great time until we meet again, same time. Bye bye.